Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I am here with a flip through of our Shabby Chic French envelope journal. This kit is designed and sold by Kerr. She is HappinessinCrafting on Etsy. Her link will be below. I've used a 9 by 12 envelope and wrapped it in a couple of pieces of paper from the kit. I have Mod Podged the cover just for a little bit extra durability. I went ahead and zigzagged around. I've added some lace with wrapped around, and that's all I've really done to the back. I've got one of the journal cards here as a focal point. This image is the same as the larger image, so I'm not necessarily, well, I'm covering it up, but you could leave it, but I wanted a little extra. So I added a smaller image. I've got some embroidered flowers here, some coffee dyed paper flowers, a little bit of bling, and an eyelet closure with just some seam binding. Oh, and I've got a little piece of lace running behind. Let me untie this. I've got a 24-inch piece on this side, 24-inch piece in the back that is just tying together. So, everything in here that I have used, other than the coffee dyed paper and extra little embellishments, is from the Shabby Chic French collection. And so I've got a little pocket in here that we did together. Inside the pocket I've got the little booklet that we did with the little pocket. I need to tuck something. Which way does it go? I need to tuck something inside of there. And I did put it in the pocket upside down just a little bit so it would so we could see some of the extras. Here's one of the designer pages, which I have done all of the designer pages trimmed in lace with a zigzag stitch. Here's a journal card from the kit. We've got an altered paper clip here that I've just attached to one of the coffee dyed papers so that can be moved. I will also list the playlist below of all the altered paper clips and pockets and things that we did together for this journal. I've got some green ledger, another one of the designer's pages trimmed in crochet trim. Here's a flip-up triangle journaling spot with a couple of little tiny tags. I've just sewn around the tags. Here's an envelope with another tiny tag. Well, not a tiny tag, but a small tag. There's also a little tuck spot here. I've got another designer page trimmed in lace. Here's the triple tuck tag tuck that we did. We have a tuck back here with a journal card. I've just added some seam binding to the top. I've got a small ticket or tag here, and then there's also a tuck spot behind the heart. And I've just got a little butterfly there and some lace trim. There's a piece of graph paper, another designer page. These pages are lovely. I have left the strings. If you don't like the strings, feel free to remove them. Some people like it, some people don't. I figure if I leave them, if you don't like them, you can trim them off. Here's some of the pockets that we did together. And I've just put some medium-sized tags in there. Same thing on this side and this side. Just added a medium tag. Now these medium tags are tags that I cut from the background of a couple of pages of the background that I printed on cardstock, so they're thick. Here's another one of the altered paper clips we did. I just attached it to this small envelope, and so there's another pocket here. Another one of the designer pages. Here's one of the envelopes that we did. I've just tucked it over the side of the page with the paper clip and then used that to tuck one of the journal cards in. this music page. I'm not sure where this music page came from. I've got a stack of them on my desk. I think it's Victoria Designs. They have one that's like old or grungy or something music pages, but I'm pretty sure that's where I got that. On the back of this, we've just got a little corner tuck. I have sewn around the edge of that with a medium tag. There's some lace trim. Here's the center page. I've trimmed them in lace. There's a doily in the middle, and then I did put an envelope in the middle. There's a journal card inside, and the stitching is inside the envelope, so that kind of hides that. Another corner tuck. Here's another envelope that I've just inserted another journal card in there. I did sew around the journal cards. I did not sew everything. I didn't think it was necessary. Here's the back of the envelope. The designer paper. The other side of that small envelope with the little altered paper clip. Those are so fun. Some more medium pockets with tags. I've done that on both sides of this one. Still plenty of room for writing, for adding to and tucking things in. I did not fill up all the pockets. Here's our graph page, another coffee dyed page. Here's the other double, I don't know if it's double or triple, but it's a tag shaped tuck. So you can tuck here, and then also the heart is a tuck. So very fun. And another designer page. The other side of that number 10 pocket with the small tag inside. This number 10 pocket, all I've done is, this is the opening side, and I have glued down the flap on the inside and folded it in half into the signature. But on the outside, 1 1/4 inch, I folded it in, and then I sewed around the entire thing. So I have a tuck spot in there. Here's another corner flip, a couple of tags. And like I said, plenty of writing space. The green journal. Here's another altered paper clip with the journal card. And then we have our back pocket with the other little booklet. This one goes this way so that you can tuck something in there if you'd like. You could add pages if you wanted. You could probably use a hairband around here and add some pages if you wanted. Probably would do it up here so that, because this is the top. But yeah, that's, and I have it upside down just to get it in the pocket a little easier. So, because that pocket's a little snug, once it stretches out, it'll be fine. So, and then just the back, and like I said, the cover has been Mod Podge, so I did use a matte finish. It's not shiny, it's not sticky. Well, it might be a tad shiny, I don't know. I've got the sun coming in my window, but yeah, it turned out quite nice. I really like it. And then this just ties like so, and it's not too chunky. I tried not to go too chunky. It is one signature and 17, 34, 68 pages total, so that's a good size there. So I hope you like that. I said when I got to 1,000 I would be using this one for a giveaway, so I'm not sure if we're going to wait till 1,000 or not. I'm going to give it a week, or I still need to get the other one for the 500 subscribers shipped out. So when I get that cleared up, then I'll be announcing a drawing for this one, and the other one is sold. So tomorrow we will move on to our tattered journal. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm using one of the collage kits. I'm not sure which one. I have all of them from Artie Mays, but I thought those are so pretty that they would make great tattered journal. So that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate all your support. Thanks for all your lovely comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.